Namaskar. Welcome to Savarkar IAS Study Circle. The center is intended for classroom coaching of UPSC Civil Services Examinations, Combined Defense Services Written Examination, National Defense Academy Entrance Examinations, and MPSC Civil Services Examinations. Now, all these four courses they are conducted at Swatantravir Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak, Savarkar IAS Study Circle, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Udyan, or it is called as Park, old name Shivaji Park, Swatantravir Savarkar Marg, Dadar West, Mumbai 28. For more details, contact number is given here, that is 922-184-9650. Now, this center is having both options, that is online as well as offline. In case of online, we have paid as well as free. Both options are available. In case of offline, only supposed to be paid option is available, but those students, they are having tremendous learning capacity. They are already enriched with great knowledge, great enthusiasm and intelligence. They can also avail offline coaching free of cost. For that purpose, you have to join our preparatory batch, that is of 1 month course, which is having fees, that is 5,000 fees and 900 rupees, that is actually 18% GST over it. So totally you have to pay 5,900 rupees. In 1 month course, we are going to discuss entire, we can say fundamentals, those who are required for theory examination. 2 practice tests are also there and final test is there. After completion of course, right answer, only MCQ type questions are there, multiple choice questions are there, and right answer you will get +1 mark, wrong answer you will get -1 mark. Like that, you have to score marks. If you are able to score above 90%, then entire main course, that is available at free of cost. Otherwise also concessions are there. Just go through our video, that is e-brochure of our classes for 2024-25 batch. You will get all this thing, that what are the fees, how to join the center and all that. Now suppose you want to join free and online, then also I am putting out number here again, that is 922-184-9650. On this number, you have to send your name on WhatsApp. You will get automatic response from WhatsApp, and in that we have links of free lectures. So you can go through that. Sequentially arranged lectures, they are also there. Or another option is there, that on which channel you are observing, that is Savarkar IAS Study Circle YouTube channel. There only all lectures are available at free of cost. So just you have to subscribe the channel and start observing. Why you have to subscribe? Because whatever the new lectures are there, they are also updated time to time over the channel. So you can study out for UPSC Civil Services Examination, Combined Defense Services Examination, National Defense Academy Entrance Test, that is NDA Entrance Test, and MPSC Civil Services Examination. Thanks for observing this video.